How to download Epic Games Launcher. Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. So first of all, you want to open up your browser, go to Epic Games Launcher, type in Epic Games Launcher, click on the first link that appears, that is store.epicgames.com. After which, you simply want to click on download icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. At the top, you could see that the exe file is downloading. So you just have to be patient enough. When it's completely downloaded, you then want to open up the file explorer. Next, you want to come to the download section from the right hand side corner. Once it is completely downloaded, you want to double click on it. When you do it so, it's gonna then show you this sort of page. So if you're sure about it, click on install. Now it's gonna take a while in order to complete the installation, so you just have to follow the on-screen prompt. Now click on finish when you see that. So when you're done completely installing, you just have to then double click on the Epic Games Launcher and you have to go ahead and create your account or login, and that is the simplest way you could download Epic Games Launcher. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.